Hello everyone. Hope you're doing well. Today, we are going to see how to generate SHA-1 and SHA-256 keys for Android. For that, firstly open Android Studio and go into the files and hit on Open. Then one pop-up will appear on screen and open Android file and click on OK. So after that, let's generate first debug SHA-1 and SHA-256. On the right side, one panel that is Gradle, in that panel option that is Terminal. And in this terminal run the command that is sign in report and hit the enter button. Wait for some time for this execution. It takes some time according to your system configuration. After successful run this command, find debug variant and config. After it, simply copy the both SHA-1 and SHA-256 keys from here. So for release SHA-1 and SHA-256 key, for that going into the files and just click on project structure. After clicking on it, one pop-up will appear on your screen. In this pop-up, go into the module and in that signing configs click on plus button and enter a new signing config name. I'll give it release and just hit the OK button. After that, locate the store file that is a JSK file from your system and give it password key alias and key password that is demo_app and simply click on apply and OK. Here you see on bottom right side corner the importing process will be running. After that process completes, you can see the folder app in your left side and in that build.gradle. And in that you see our release.jsk file will be stored here. In the bottom of that code we need to change the build type in signingconfigs.debug to signingconfigs.release. After changing this command, simply click on sync now. After that, on the right side panel, open the terminal and run the command that is sign report. Here our execution will start. After successfully running this command. Now, we have to find a variant and config as release key. Then, copy both SHA-1 and SHA-256 file from here and simply paste those keys into the Firebase console for your project. So you see how easy it is to generate SHA-1 and SHA-256 keys for Android.